Today our lesson is Demonstrative Adjectives, Possessive Adjectives, Possessive apostrophe s, and whose. At first, we are going to learn demonstrative adjectives. The words this, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjectives. They are used to tell which thing or person you mean. These words are called demonstrative adjectives or demonstrative determinants. So let's see the table. To talk about something that is near us, we use this. To talk about something that is farther away from us, we use that. We use the singular noun and the singular verb is with this and that. For example, this is a text. There is an apple. So let's move on next slide. This slide is plural form. The plural of this is these. The plural of that is those. We use the plural noun and the plural verb form are with these and those, such as these are texts, those are apples. Okay, let's see the example sentences. This is a picture. That is my clock. These are the books. Those are my books. Let's do the exercise 1. This is changing singular to plural or plural to singular. For example, this girl, so these girls. That car, so those cars. So I'll give you 1 minute and we will check soon. Let's check your answers. This girl, so these girls. That car, so those cars. This book, these books. That house, those houses. This baby, these babies. That cat, those cats. That man, those men. Another exercise is also changing the singular to plural or plural to singular in the following sentences. For example, the singular form is this hat is pretty. So the plural form is these hats are pretty. Now I will give you 2 minutes and we will check then. Okay, let's check the answers. Number 2, that dress is black. So those dresses are black. 3, the plural form is these children are clever. So the singular form is this child is clever. Number 4, this point is tall. So these points are tall. Now let's do the exercise 3. I'm waiting just a moment and we will check the answers. Next, check your answers. This is a big book. That is a small book. This is a bike. That is a skateboard. These are nice photos. Those are awful photos. I'm gonna talk about possessive adjectives. The words mine, your, his, her, is, our, and their are used before nouns to show ownership. They are called possessive adjectives. For a man, use his. For example, this is my friend. His name is James. For a woman, use her. This is Mary. Her dad is an officer. For an animal or thing, use is. For example, that's a pretty tree. Its leaves are green. For a pet, when you know if it is a boy or a girl, use his or her. For example, this is my cat. His name's Shuiwa. The plural, use their. For man, woman, things, animals, or pets. For example, these are my classmates. Their names are Paul and Silly. Use our for a group including you. For example, there is a snake in our garden. See example sentences. Number 1, I lent my bike to Mama. Number 2, Gogor is playing football with his friends. Number 3, my sister lost her phone. Number 4, Susie, your bag is very beautiful. Number 5, the children are proud of their school. Number 6, we always keep our classroom clean. Number 7, the cat is chasing its own tail. Now, exercise 4. Circle the correct word. I'll give you 1 minute and we will check then. Check the correct answer. Their sunglasses are smart. 2. Cozy is my pet. Number 3. His boots are cool. Number 4. Your eyes are red. Number 5. Our bags are light. Number 6. Her t-shirt is big. I will show you possessive apostrophe s. Let's see the table. We use possessive apostrophe s with nouns to talk about possession. We use apostrophe s with singular nouns. Lucy's dress, Ryan's bicycle, the cat's tail. We use apostrophe with plural nouns, such as the girl's bag, the boy's boat, the dog's house. Look at the examples. Susu is Mumu's friend. That is lion's book. This is the cat's foot. These are the boy's shoes. Okay, let's do exercise 5. Write apostrophe s or apostrophe. For example, these are Mummy's bag. I'll give you a minute and then we will check. So, check your answers. Number 1, these are Mummy's bag. Number 2 is Dick's daddy's laundry. Number 3, the students' seats are here. Number 4, the mouse's name is Mickey. Number 5, these are the girl's flowers. Number 6, the teacher's car is white. The last lesson today I will show is WH question word whose. We use whose when you're asking who the owner of something is or who is belong to. Look at the table question. Whose bag is this? Whose shoes are those? You are asking who owns the bag or the shoes, or who does the bag or the shoes belong to. The answers are is Alice's bag and they are my shoes. Okay, let's see the example sentences. Whose scarf sticks is Zoe's scarf. Number 2, whose spikes are these? They are the boy's spikes. Number 3, whose shirt is that? Is my shirt. Number 4, whose spouses are those? They are Sandy's spouses. Okay, this slide is exercise 6. Choose and write. You have to choose is, are, is. There, apostrophe s and apostrophe in the box, and write the following sentences. So I will give you 1 minute and we will check the correct answer. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, whose cake is this? Is Mama's cake. Number 2, whose car is that? Is my dad's car. Number 3, whose sunglasses are these? They are teacher's sunglasses. Number 4, whose pants are those? They are the boy's pants. Let's stop here. Thanks for watching my videos.